with the sump removed, we can have a look at the bottom of the connecting rods, or the con rods as they're called. So we've got one cap here, which, oh gosh, it seems fine. One cap here, which seems fine. And the third one here, absolutely fine. And the fourth one, yeah, all fine. I wonder what the problem actually was. No, all jokes aside, when you get a bit of rod knock on the copper that we found in the sump, and in the oil pickup pipe, by the way, this is where it's come from. So I'm going to crack these bolts off, straight new bearings in these three, and I'm going to check the maintenance services of these. Just going to give them a clean up, and then that'll be all ready to go back together, hopefully. So we'll see if we can turn it over and actually get it to start, as it wouldn't this morning. Interesting. Good, at least we've found a fault. At least when you find a fault you can fix it, that's why.